On this machine with the Okuma OSP-P200L CNC, we are gonna restore a system and user backups. We replace the panel computer I hit this key in order to be able to cancel the boot up process. So I was saying that we replace this panel is a panel computer number 4, and the original was a panel computer number 2, PNC2 and PNC4. And if you replace for the first time or upgrade the panel, you need to do an installation first. Since we did a previous installation in another machine, we cloned that CFast memory from the other machine, and we create a clone for this machine as well. So now we have only to restore the original data for the machine itself. So once we stop the boot up process, we're gonna execute the OSP Maintenance Tool and restore the system data. We have the USB inserted, and okay, let's check the USB. This one?
No, this one. Maybe this one.
This one? Okay.
One MU or?
Yeah, this. So this is the system data. So we have this folder created today, January the 9th, 2026, and we are going to restore this data. And let's hit start. And let's say we are sure that we want to restore the data. Okay, now it has finished. Let's quit, and let's restore also the user data. It's pointing me to the iDrive, or because it has a compact flash, which is this one, as a secondary device or drive, and this one is the CFast memory, new technology. So this one is where the CSM is installed, and this is a backup memory you can use for users purposes, like doing a system or user backup. But let's reference to the USB. Okay, and this is the user data. So let's hit start. We are sure. Yes to all. I'm gonna overwrite some programs, and it's done. Quit. So if you do the backup on the compact flash, on this compact flash, and you swap it when you change the control panel or the panel computer, you can use it from there without the need of using a USB stick or memory. So let's hit exit from here. We can either reboot the machine or start the program. Let me try to use the pointer of the pen. So let's hit programs, startup. I'm gonna start the NC start. without having to reboot the machine. So let's see what it does the system. So we have emergency stop. Let's reset. Okay, let's open and close the door. We still have the alarm. Okay, but let's check. Let's open and close the door, and we are gonna try the machine. We are gonna check if the pattern that is selected is the same that we had before, which is correct. Okay. Okay. So with this one, what we verify with this pattern selected is that this program was selected before we changed the control panel, the panel computer. Sorry. Okay, we do have an alarm 3707 oil cooler ASI. We are gonna check that later, but the machine is. I'm testing the turrets clockwise and counterclockwise. Let me check the turret B. I had to select the channel there to check the turret. This is to select both channels. Let me remove this one and try the turret B. I'm not in the position. Let me move it right there. Try now. A little more. There you go. So turret is okay. Let's try the jog. It's too fast. Okay. So basically what we did is to replace the panel computer version PNC2 to PNC4. This one. We install a CFast clone with the data from the other machine that we already upgraded to avoid having to install all the software, etc. and configuration. But there is another video for this one. And we use the USB memory to do a system and use a backup before we do the replacement, and then we restore those to the machine, and the machine is ready to go.